Hello friends, this is me Vijay Shan presenting you the part 2 of the current affairs lecture for the month of April 2021. Friends, these MCQs are equally important for JKSSB, JKPSC, UPSC and SSC exams. Earlier we had discussed the current affairs for the month of January, February, March and part 1st of the April. You can visit those lectures from the given links down below in the description box. So let's begin today's lecture. Question number 16th. 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award will be given to option A Amitabh Bachchan, option B Anupam Kher, option C Rakesh Roshan, option D Rajinikanth. Friends, the correct answer for this is option D Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth will be given the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Question number 17th. Who has been honored with the prestigious Kalinga Ratna Award? Option A is Vishwa Bhushan Harichand. Option B is Anandiben Patel. Option C is Najma Heptullah. Option D is Satyapal Malik. And the correct answer for this is option A, Vishwa Bhushan Harichandra. Vishwa Bhushan Harichandra is the governor of Andhra Pradesh. This award is given for the contribution in the field of literature. Okay. Question number 18th. The book Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life has been written by option A, Nitin Gokhale, option B, Nitin Gadkari, option C, Renu Bansal, option D, Rajiv Gauba. And the correct answer for this is option A, Nitin Gokhale. Nitin Gokhale is the author of book Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life. Question number 19th. World Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. Option B is 23rd of April. Option C is 13th of April. Option D is 21st of April. And the correct answer for this is option A, 22nd of April. Okay. The theme for this year's World Earth Day was Restore Our Earth. Restore Our Earth was the theme for this year's Earth Day. Okay. Question number 20. Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me is an autobiography of cricketer Suresh Raina and is co-authored by option A, Bharat Bhushan, option B, Bharat Sudarshan, option C, Neelam Gupta, option D, Neerja Lahari. And the correct answer for this is option B, Bharat Bhushan, Bharat Sudarshan. Bharat Sudarshan is the co-author of the book Believe What Life and Cricket Taught Me. Question number 21st. Author of the book The Living Mountain is Meghna Pathak. B. Option B is Jaggi Vasudev. Option C is Ruskin Bond. Option D is Amitav Ghosh. And the correct answer for this is option D, Amitav Ghosh. Friends, The Living Mountain describes the ill effects of human activities on our environment. Okay. The author of this book is Amitav Ghosh. Question number 22nd. Which Indian wrestler won gold in Asian Wrestling Championship 2021? Option A is Vinesh Fogart. Option B is Ravi Kumar Dahiya. Option C is Ritu Fogart. Friends, the correct answer for this is option D, both A and B. Vinesh Fogart and Ravi Kumar Dahiya won gold medal in Asian Wrestling Championship. India came second in the overall tally and Iran was the overall topper in the medal tally. Okay. Question number 23. Who won the Formula 1 Bahrain Grand Prix? Who won the Formula 1 Bahrain Grand Prix? Option A is Lewis Hamilton. Option B, V. Bottas. Option C, Al Norris. Option D, S. Perez. Friends, the correct answer for this is option A, Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton also holds the record for most number of Formula 1 victories. Okay. Question number 24. What is India's rank in Inclusive Internet Index? The option A is 49th, option B is 50, option C is 32nd, option D is 36th, and the correct answer for this is 49th. India's rank is 49th in Inclusive Internet Index. Question number 25th. Who among the following took his oath as the first judge of J&K High Court under Indian Constitution? Option A is Geeta Mittal, option B Rajneesh Oswal, option C Pankaj Mittal, option D Hamid Bhatt. And the correct answer for this is option B Rajneesh Oswal. Rajneesh Oswal became the first judge of J&K High Court to take his oath under Indian Constitution. Okay. Question number 26. Which city will host the third Asian Youth Games? Option A is Beijing, option B is Shantou, option C is Bengaluru, option D is Seoul. Friends, Beijing is the capital of China, Shantou is a Chinese city, option C Bengaluru is Indian city, and Seoul is the capital of South Korea. Friends, the correct answer is option B Shantou. Shantou will hold the third Asian Youth Games. Okay. Question number 27th. Which state has started radio school to mitigate the impact of coronavirus outbreak on the studies of students? Option A is Madhya Pradesh, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Gujarat, option D Rajasthan. Friends, the correct answer for this is option A Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has started radio school to mitigate the impact of coronavirus outbreak on the studies of students. Question number 28. Who has been appointed as the new spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs? Is it option A Anurag Basu, option B Pradeep Jain, option C Anurag Srivastava, option D Geeta Saraf? Friends, the correct answer for this is Anurag Srivastava. Anurag Srivastava has been appointed as the new spokesperson for the Ministry of External Affairs. Question number 29th. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of NASSCOM? Option A is Urjit Patel, option B UB Praveen Rao, option C Madhu Jain, option D Hima Chandok. Friends, the correct answer for this is option B UB Praveen Rao. UB Praveen Rao has been appointed as the new chairman of NASSCOM. Friends, the full form of NASSCOM is National Association of Software and Services Companies. Okay, National Association of Software and Services Companies. Question number 30, which is the last one for today's lecture. Which former governor of RBI has been named in the external advisory group of IMF chief? Option A is Urjit Patel, option B is Bimal Jalan, option C is Raghuram Rajan, option D is Shakti Kanta Das. Friends, the correct answer for this is Raghuram Rajan. Raghuram Rajan is the former governor of RBI who has been named in the external advisory group of IMF chief. Friends, Indian origin woman Geeta Gopinath is the chief economist of IMF? Geeta Gopinath is the chief economist of IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, and Kristalina Georgieva is the MD and chairman of IMF. Kristalina Georgieva is the current MD and chairwoman of IMF. Friends, this concludes today's lecture. Now we are going to start a series of general studies for the upcoming JKSSB exams. Please like, share and subscribe to see those lectures. Also, if you want to see our previous lectures, please click on the links given below in the description box. So that's all for today. Be safe. Take care. Bye bye.